Hi there, students. Malcontent. A malcontent, a person. You could use it as an adjective, but I think more normally malcontent is a person. Malcontented as an adjective. Okay, a malcontent is a person who is not satisfied with the current conditions. They're normally rebellious. They don't like the current situation. Yeah, they are chronically dissatisfied. They're always dissatisfied with the situation, with the things that are going on. Okay, so a malcontent is always rebelling against the established system. Yeah, so a person who's not satisfied with the way things are, they complain a lot and they're difficult or to deal with. They're a bit unreasonable as well. Okay, so a malcontent. Very often you'll find a malcontent as a character in early modern dramas. This is somebody who's not happy with the social structure, not happy with the other people in the play, very often an outsider, and is commenting on the action, on what's actually going on in the play. Yeah, so a malcontent, somebody who they bear a grudge because maybe a grievance because their ambitions have been stopped. Yeah, malcontents, bitter and almost choking with self-pity. Um, there are political malcontents within the party. They don't like what's been doing. So yeah, they're dissatisfied with the situation and they want to change it. I think if you call somebody a malcontent, you're being disapproving. Yeah, you're saying that they're a troublemaker, they're always complaining, they're always grumbling, and this is the idea of the malcontent. I think perhaps with a malcontent, whatever situation you give them, they're not going to be happy about it. They're always going to be able to find something that's wrong with it. Yeah. Okay, so you could have a malcontent citizen as an adjective, but I would probably say use the adjective malcontented is probably better. So you're probably going to ask, what's the difference between malcontented and discontent or discontented? I think discontented just gives the idea of dissatisfaction. You're not happy about something specific. So I'm very discontented about the way this problem is being dealt with. A malcontent or malcontented, this is somebody who's always discontented with the situation. Whatever happens, they're not going to be happy about it. Yeah, it's like they feel this bitterness towards society or towards the situation in which they found themselves. Yeah, so discontent, it's perfectly reasonable to be discontent, but malcontent talks more about somebody's character. Yeah, that they're always dissatisfied with what's going on. They're always unhappy with the current situation. Yeah, he's such a malcontented person. He's just such a malcontent. Yeah, he's always disgruntled, displeased, dissatisfied. Yeah, he's always complaining so much that he's got a reputation for being a malcontent. Yeah, this is somebody who's maybe a bit misanthropic as well. Yeah, they don't like things. Yeah, I think a malcontent is particularly common with critics of the government. Yeah, well, maybe in that essence, we're always malcontents. Nobody's ever happy about what the government does. So maybe to be malcontented is a general view about the way governments do things. Okay, so yeah, malcontent, you're dissatisfied with the existing administration, the existing government or the prevailing conditions, the prevailing circumstances. Yeah, so a grumbler, a complainer. This is a fairly formal word. I would probably give this a malcontent. I think I would probably give it a 7, 6.5, 7 in formality. What would I say informally? Yeah, a complainer. He's always complaining. Uh, so somebody who's always got out of bed on the wrong side. He's rather cantankerous. So use malcontent. Semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal writing sounds good. A formal writing as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French malcontent, bad, happy. So badly happy, no, not at all. And then that itself comes from late Latin, male contentus. Yeah, not content, discontent, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Malcontent, malcontented.